All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my the four-way winner's choice. So we'll check the time, June 23rd at 9:49 p.m. I'm gonna go over to the main and type live, and we've got June 23rd at 9:49. There is the list of our 25 entries, including our 6 mini spots. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Keith. Spot 15 is your winner. So, Keith, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, June 23rd, 9:50 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.